Sadasya Sri Niranjan Vishi. 6 minutes.
Vice President, sir, for giving me opportunity to speak in the Central Armed Police Forces General Administration Bill 2026, which aims to streamline administration and improve coordination among our central forces like CRPF, BSF, ITBP, and CISF. But there are several serious concerns which must be addressed before its effective implementation. Sir, in this bill, there is jurisdictional confusion with state police during joint operations. A lack of clarity in command structure may lead to operational problems. The bill is silent on technology and modernization. There are no binding provision for modern equipment, cyber capability, or surveillance system. In today's security environment, I find this is a serious gap. Sir, human rights safeguards are not clearly defined in this bill. In sensitive areas like LWA affected region and border zones, strong safeguards are necessary to maintain trust and India's global image. Sir, over centralization of power is a major issue. This bill appears to give excessive control to Government of India and Ministry of Home Affairs. Our forces operate in diverse conditions from border to internal security, whereas limiting their autonomy may reduce their operational efficiency. Sir, in this bill, modern internal security challenges seen that whether most insurgency in Odisha's forest, urban terror threats, or complex border management are inherently multidimensional and interlinked. At the heart of this coordination framework lies the leadership of the Indian Police Service, which acts as the indispensable integrated link in this entire ecosystem. Sir, for ensuring successful prosecution, investigation is the most critical stage, and all investigating officers, whether from central agency or state offices, state police officers, they function under the professional supervision and guidance of IPS officers. Therefore, IPS officers do not merely coordinate operation, but they ensure the continuity between intelligence, action, investigation, and conviction. If we weaken or reduce the role of IPS officer in CPFs, we risk breaking this vital chain. Sir, this year, many districts of Odisha, including Bolangir, became Naxal-free. 15 cadre of BBN division surrendered. It is a credit that goes completely to the Odisha police. Sir, the bill lacks strong and independent grievance redressal mechanism. Our Jawan and officers face issues related to promotion, service condition, and even harassment. If complaints are handled internally without independence, justice may not be ensured. There is ambiguity in service condition. Differences in pay scale, promotion, and retirement age still exist across forces. Without proper harmonization, this will continue to create dissatisfaction among the personnel. Sir, the bill does not adequately address mental health and welfare. CAPF personnel work under extreme stress, long deployment, and separation from families. There is no clear provision for mandatory counseling, proper leave policy, or stress management system. Sir, while the bill talks about coordination, it risks diluting the unique identity of each force. Like a one-size-fits-all approach may not work for forces handling different responsibilities like border security and internal law and order situation. There is a lack of parliamentary oversight. The bill does not mandate regular reporting or independent audit. When such large forces and budget are involved, transparency is essential. Sir, I would also like to highlight a very serious issue, vacancies in CAPF. As per recent data, more than 93,000 posts are lying vacant. This is affecting both border and internal security, despite increasing budget allocation under the Ministry of MHE. There are also concerns regarding SC/ST representation. While reservation policy exists, backlog vacancies are not filled up, and representation in higher ranks remain limited, as CCR and APR of SC/ST make adverse. Sir, this bill is a step towards reform. Its success depends on the balancing central control with operational balancing. Sir, Bharat देश एवं इंडोनेशिया देश, ରୁଷିଆ ଦେଶର ବରପୁତ୍ର ବିଶ୍ୱବରେଣ୍ୟ ନେତା हेले आधुनिक ओडिशार निर्माता पूर्वतन मुख्यमंत्री स्वाधीनता संग्रामी बिजू पट्टनायक तांको प्रति जो असम्मान तांको प्रति जो अपमान
आप विषय पर
करा
बोलिए,
ହେଇଛି,
ये बहुत सारे
ताकू
लोग बोल चुके
तांको
हैं।
विरुद्ध रे
आप
दृढ़
विषय पर
कार्यानुष्ठान मु दाबी करुछि एवं एही घटना अत्यंत निंदनीय। माननीय लोकसभा सांसद निशिकांत दुबे प्रति कार्यानुष्ठान ग्रहण करने को आपनक माध्यम रे भारत सरकार को अनुरोध करुछि। थैंक यू। जय जवान।
धन्यवाद माननीय सदस्य।